Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to send money from PayPal to GCash in 2025. So if you are a freelancer, online seller, or just receiving the payments abroad, this is the fastest and the safest way to move your PayPal funds straight into your GCash wallet. So first of all, you need to launch your GCash application and you need to make sure that it is fully verified. In your GCash application, when you tap on your profile option, you will see the option of linking your account with PayPal. So you will have to select that option. Then it is going to redirect you here in a new tab where you will have to provide your PayPal credentials. You need to log in here in your PayPal account first and then select the option of linked accounts and wait for some time until your PayPal account is linked with your GCash account. So once this is done, you need to open your PayPal on a new tab. You can also do this in your PayPal application. Now here you are going to see the available or the funds that can be transferred to GCash. It will be visible over here in the right hand section. So you need to make sure that your PayPal account is set to Philippines peso, which is PHP or USD. So GCash will handle the conversions automatically. So you need to go back to the GCash application. There you can see the option of cash in. So you can select that and select the option of global partners. In the global partners, you will see the option of PayPal. So you can type the exact amount that you want to transfer, which will be the minimum amount of 500 peso, which will be around $10. Then you can just simply go to the option of next in order to confirm the transaction. After that, GCash will show you the processing message and your transfer should be completed within a few minutes. Now, before confirming it, you just have to check the conversion rate, which will be shown in on your GCash application. So once you select that, PayPal applies a small currency exchange fees too, so that PHP amount you receive may be slightly lower than the USD total. So GCash don't charge extra for the transfer, but the rates can vary daily. Now, after a few minutes, you can open GCash, go to the dashboard and go to the transaction history. You will see that your PayPal amount will be reflected in your wallet balance. You can now use it to pay your bills, to buy, load or withdraw to your linked bank account or card. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.